Welcome Shop Talk. We're looking at Husqvarna's 455 Rancher. This is a new version of it, AutoTuned. It has some very great features we'll go over compared to last year's model. And we'll take a look at it. You can see on last year's we have the adjustment screws right here. We got the idle, the high-low speed adjustments. Screws on the top to hold the top cover on. And your choke kill system, blue choke, kill switch on top. This year the improvements, there it has the auto-tuned carburetor, there are no adjustments. The master control is one lever, does it all for you. And here's a couple features I really like on this saw. Got the professional snaps on it, easy access, heavy duty filter, and that auto-tuned carburetor. You can take a look at that and see how different this looks compared to last year's model. And I know a lot of you have heard a lot about, we've talked a lot about the auto-tuned carburetor. It's a very great thing that they've come out with. It consists of a module and the auto-tuned carburetor, and you can see the little auto-tuned right here, electronically controlled, monitors that carburetor all the time, compensates for high altitude, low altitude, hot weather, cold weather, mixture of your fuel. Just makes this saw perform flawlessly. A feature I really like, and we've had issues with the German-made style on this, but the twist lock cap, the Swedes have got it now. Very nice. You do have something to get a hold of. It fits in nice. You don't have to fumble around trying to get it to line up. It lines up perfectly. And this will back fit your Husqvarna 455 460s. There's a window in the back, check your level of fuel. Just a great consumer saw, farm saw, loaded with professional features. Check it out.